Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Chime customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down Chime and enter it. And from here you need to select this Chime fee free banking here. And once inside this home page, in the top left there's this three-lined icon, select that. And from here you need to scroll a bit down. From here select this anytime security and support. So over here, what you need to do is if you need 24/7 support here, you need to simply select this icon. And over here, you need to simply click over here that says Visit Help Center. So from here, you can also get popular articles from people can ask questions. Over here, if you find relatable issue here, you can simply open it. And after that, Chime will direct you and you can follow the on-screen instruction here as well. Or you can simply scroll a bit down here. You can find this number here. This is the member services team for Chime customer, and this phone support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account information ready. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.